Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted accounts on the application of Suno. We click on settings, like this. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this application of Suno. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.